the video of my 1966 Ford LTD. This is a 100% original survivor, 10,000 mile car. Seats are immaculate condition. The interior is just absolutely flawless in this car. Steering wheel is absolutely brand new, impeccable condition. I'll fire this thing up for a cold light, cold start. Look at that door panel, beautiful condition. It's a one-owner car. The gentleman ordered this car brand new. Drove it for 10 years. He averaged 1,000 miles per year. At the end of 10 years, he parked it for 50 years. Vinyl roof is just absolutely beautiful condition. Trunk, just like the day it came off the assembly line. The interior, the dash is just amazing condition of this car. This is probably one of the finest low mileage original cars in existence. Original floor mats. Operates and drives just like new. And that pretty much concludes the video for the walk around.